This is Beyblade Legend 1997, and I'm going to do an unboxing of a double pack of Earth Eagle 145 WD and Dark Libra ED 145 SD. So, hold on. Got 2 ripcords, rubber bands, stickers for Libra, stickers for Eagle, instruction booklet, two launchers, the assembly tools, and then the 2 bays. So, and then the codes, be giving those away. Let's look at Earth Eagle first. It's got a special colored fusion or energy ring and special colored spin track. Libra. There it's got dark ED sharp or semi-defense. It's pretty cool. A special colored Libra ring. So I'll do a video later with the code giveaway for these. So Beyblade Legend 1997.